Hi everybody. I picked up a Swiffer Wet Jet. It's for all floor types. So we're going to give this thing a try on these ugly black floor tiles that you can see here. So let's see here what this has to say for itself. It has 5 cleaning pads. It has 4 batteries and 1 bottle of cleaning solution. Okay. So, not much to say, just a Swiffer Wet Jet mopping kit. 3 of these, they look like big pads. These look like the extra large pads. They have like ever so slight roughness to them, almost like a finer sandpaper, obviously for scrubbing up dirty floors. Okay, so on the back looks like 2 sticky things. Let me just see here. Well, maybe not. I thought it was something that you peel and stick on. Here's the 2 jets for where the spray is going to come out of. Okay. And our bottle of liquid is going to go in here. No, our bottle of liquid's going to go in here. Okay. This has all these little dotty things all over it. I'm assuming that helps to hold this here in place, and that's exactly what it is. Okay, so that just goes right on there like that. Okay. Alright, so here's the other cleaning pads. Here's the bottle of liquid. Alright, so there's just these little push things there, and then you push those in, and you push this over it. Let's see here. Okay, let's see if we can't get that on. Oh, there you go. Okay, you just have to give it a push. Okay, so that's all together. Now, has a nice thing for hanging it when it's not in use. Okay. So, like that. It's pretty lightweight, I'll tell you. Where do these batteries go? See, guys aren't the only one that don't read instructions. This just slid up, and that's where the batteries are, or go. So So 2 will go on this side, 2 will go on this side. I think I paid around $40 for this. I can't remember, at Walmart. These are double A's by the feel of them. Yeah, takes 4 double A's. So the battery goes under these 2 notches, like this. Okay. And then this battery here goes in. There. Okay. And now we just do the same on the other side. Now I also bought 2 bottles of the liquid, and I bought 2 different scents because I don't know which scent I'm going to like. So those are in place, ready to go. Another thing that I'm noticing here is that something else, the pad that I have on there, the one that I said feels like a light sandpaper one, well, that's obviously for heavy duty, like really dirty floors, and the other ones are a little bit thinner for if they're not too dirty. Okay. So, can you see this? So this gets underneath this piece of plastic right here. Okay. Right under here and here. Way up here, right there, is the trigger for making the liquid come out. Oh, there you go. It just doesn't look like it's in right. There you go, so just turn it, like you'll feel that it wants to go down, and then you just give it a push. Give this a little squirt, see how it works. And we're doing the kitchen floor. I wish I had nicer flooring out here, but I'm only renting, and this is what they put down, which I would never put down, but alright. Oh. Okay, so you just push how much you ever want. Oh, what was that? Okay, so our liquid's in there wrong. All right, it seems to be in there. Hopefully that doesn't pop out again. Oops. Have to be careful where you put your thumb or you keep squirting the liquid out. Seems to be doing a good job. And you can put as much or little of the liquid down that you want. I know I'm walking in it. Have I done this so that you can see? I'll clean it up again just a sec. That's all I'm doing for now. Okay, now I've let the floor dry, and here's how it looks. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you've got any comments, tips, suggestions. Okay, so until next time, thanks for watching.